The serious tragic accident makes 12 people died and over 30 people injured. About 4 a.m. May 7, on Highway 14, Ho Chi Minh Road running through Chu Say District, Gia Lai Province, Vietnam. There was a serious tragic accident between the bus and the truck makes many casualties. According to preliminary information from the authorities, at least 11 people on the bus died and many were injured. People witnessed the accident said that the truck ID No. 77C13937 running direction from Dak Lak and Gia Lai at a faster speed, went to Hung Vuong Street, Chu Say Town, Chu Say District was honking loudly, crossing another bus same direction and crashed directly on the bus ID No. 18B01832 from the opposite direction. After the violent collision, the bus crushed head, rotate 180 degrees. The truck was reversed, continued to plunge into crashing down a house and then flip the roadside. Currently, the fatal victims were taken to Chu Say District Hospital to get examined. About 20 victims whom seriously injured were taken to the hospital of Gia Lai to emergency. 4 people suffered minor injuries treated in Chu Say Hospital. Behold from the start of the accident, Mr. Luong Ngok Thach, Chu Pu District, indicates that when the accident was happening, he was a passenger on another bus, sitting in front of the car to wait to get off. My bus was running the same way with this truck. The truck run very fast, honked continuously and then crossed by my bus. When running to Chu Say Town, maybe due to go high speed up this truck going in the opposite way, about 300 meters it crashed directly into the bus running in from the opposite direction. As one of the first people to discover and rescue victims, Tran Hui Hong, the house is right next to the location of the accident, said that when he was asleep suddenly he heard a terrible collision from the street. He opened the door to run out to see it had 3-4 people bleeding on the sidewalk and a lot on his porch. Continue overlooking the road he saw 2 vehicles collide together. In particular, the bus was badly damaged at the top, many people are crying inside the bus, the truck flips the roadside. Mr. Hein Tai Bine, My Thatch 3, Chu Say Town, who directly take the passengers injured go to the hospital said that this is the first time he saw such terrible accident. At that time I also panic immensely but then come to take the victim to an emergency. Now a lot of people break the glass of bus, took the injured persons out and called to authorities to report the incident. I rushed over to the house to bring the truck of the family, then to the scene put 8 victims on the bus to Chu Say Hospital. Is a passenger present on the bus accident, Mrs. Din Thi Zay, Nam Din, panic recounted horrifying moments just experienced. When her car up near the bottom of the car. I was asleep and wake up because the bus suddenly emits loud bang, shake strongly. When I came I saw everyone is screaming, crying, panicking. Then the local residents helped me get down the bus and go to the hospital. As observed by reporters at the scene 2 vehicles were badly damaged, they are separated by about 30 meters. According to the fast report of the Vietnam General Road Department, 77C13937 trucks in running speed crash at 4:31 and 46 seconds, final speed, is 105 kilometers, h at Hung Vuong Street, Chu Say Town. Earlier this car running at 103 kilometers, h at 4:31 and 40 seconds. Deputy Prime Minister, Trong Hoa Bine, has instructed relevant units early to Gia Lai to coordinate with provincial leaders directing the remedial work, clarify reason of the accident and visited victims.